What if Rubik's Cubes were people? The classic 3x3 walks in first, smug, acting like they're the original and the best. The 2x2 follows, smaller, energetic, and insisting they're just as valid. The 4x4 strolls in slow, complicated, and constantly bragging about being more advanced. The 5x5 lumbers in even bigger, flexing about being the real challenge. Pyramid struts in triangular, acting special and refusing to be compared to the squares. Megaminx rolls in with way too many sides, overwhelming everyone with chaos. Speedcube bursts in, shaking from caffeine, shouting about breaking records in under 10 seconds. Then Rubik's snake slithers in awkwardly. Not really a cube, but desperately insisting they belong. Suddenly 3x3 and Speedcube start fighting about who's more iconic, the original or the fastest. Meanwhile 2x2 is yelling pick me, 4x4 and 5x5 are flexing size, and Megaminx is confusing everyone. Rubik's snake just sits in the corner, twisted into a sad little shape, hoping someone notices.